Tenth letter of Hindi alphabet is O. 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 O sounds like O in English words. Go, go, no, social. Go, no, social. So the name of this letter is O. It sounds like O, as in go, no, social, etc. This is printed form of O, and handwritten form is this one. This is handwritten O. O. Now we will see some words which have O. Aurat. Aurat. The first letter of this word is O. O. Aurat. Aurat. Aurat means woman. Aurat. Aurat means woman. Auzar. 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 First letter of this word is O. O. Auzar. Auzar means tools or tool. Tool or tools. Auzar. Auzar means tool or tools. Aushadhi. 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 First letter of this word is O. O. Aushadhi. Aushadhi means medicine. Aushadhi. Medicine. Aushadhi. Medicine. Aupcharik. 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 First letter of this word is O. O. Aupcharik. Aupcharik means formal. Aupcharik means formal. Aupcharik means formal. Let's revise. O. O. Aurat. Aurat means woman. Aurat. Auzar. Auzar. Auzar means tool or tools. Aushadhi. Aushadhi. Aushadhi means medicine. Aupcharik. Aupcharik. Aupcharik means formal. Aupcharik means formal.